Okay, we have example 7. Find the derivative of y is equals to ln x raised to the power of 3 sine x cos x. We are still going to use the same approach. The first step is that we are going to decompose this function. You understand? Probably you have not watched my video on how to decompose a complex natural logarithmic function. You can go back to the channel and watch the video, you understand, so that you'll be able to understand this step very well. Okay, now let us proceed. Let us decompose this function. Y is equals to the natural log of, since the sign between, we don't forget that we have 3 functions inside this bracket. We have x squared and x raised to the power of 3, we have sine x, and we also have cos x. The sign between these 3 functions is what? The product sign. So, and I told you that when we have a function, a natural log of a and b, the product of a and b is also the same thing as what? The natural log of a plus the natural log of b. Are you getting it? So if I also have natural log of a, b, and c is also the same thing as what? The natural log of a plus the natural log of b, plus the natural log of c. You understand? So now let us use the same approach. For this, I'm going to have natural log of x raised to the power of 3 plus the natural log of sine x plus the natural log of what? Cos x. You understand? Okay. Y is equals to the natural log of x raised to the power of what? 3 plus the natural log of what? Sine x plus the natural log of cos x. Okay. Don't forget that if we have a function like this, a raised to the power of b is also, we can also write it as what? B natural log of a. So I'm going to use the same step in this case. So the power of x will multiply the coefficient of this natural log. So I'm going to have y is equals to what? 3 natural log of x, you understand? Plus natural log of sine x plus the natural log of what? Cos x. You understand? Okay, now I have decomposed this function. The next step now is that I'm going to find the derivative because it is easy to differentiate right now. Is that not it? Yeah, it is. Okay, now don't forget our basic rule. When we have the natural log, when we have the natural log of y is equals to natural log of u, the derivative of y is what? The inverse of the function inside the bracket multiplied by the derivative of that function. You understand? So we are going to use the same step. Okay, the derivative of y is equals to 3 multiplied by, okay, take the inverse of the function inside the bracket. The function inside the bracket here is what? X. So I'm going to have 1 all over x multiplied by dx. You understand? Plus, take the inverse of the function inside the bracket. The function inside this bracket is what? Sine x. So I'm going to have 1 over sine x multiplied by derivative of sine x. You understand? Plus, take the function inside the bracket, which is cos x. So I'm going to have 1 over cos x multiplied by the derivative of what? Cos x. Please, are you following? Oh, let me put a big bracket. Okay. So the derivative of y is equals to 3 multiplied by 1 over x multiplied by derivative of x is what? 1. So 3 multiplied by what? 1 over x plus 1 over sine x multiplied by derivative of sine x. If you take the derivative of sine x, you are going to get cos x. Okay? So I'm going to have cos x all over what? Sine x plus 1 over cos x multiplied by what? Derivative of cos x. If you differentiate cos x, you are going to get minus sine x. So 1 over cos x multiplied by minus sine x, you are going to get minus sine x over cos x. So I'm going to have minus sine x all over cos x. Okay, you have gotten to this point. I want you to pay attention, please. If we have sine x from our basic trigonometry, sine x over cos x is what? Tan x. Please, are we following? Sine x over cos x is what? Tan x. So, if I take the inverse of tan x, the inverse of tan x is what? The reciprocal of tan x, that is 1 over tan x. 1 over tan x is also known in basic trigonometry 1 over tan x is cot x. Is that not it? So cot x is what? 1 over tan x. Okay, let's come back to this question. The derivative of y is equal to what? 3 over x plus cos x over sin x. You can see that cos x over sin x is the inverse of this function. You understand? The inverse of sin x over cos x is what? Cos x over tan x. Are you getting it? So I can rewrite cos x over sin x as what? 1 over tan x. And 1 over tan x is also the same thing as what? Cot x. So I can put cot x in this place. 3 over x plus cot x plus minus sin x over cos x is what? Tan x. So I'm going to have minus tan x. Please, do you understand? Yeah. Okay. So the derivative of y is what? 3 over x plus cot x minus tan x. So the derivative of y is equals to natural log of x raised to the power of 3 sin x cos x is what? 3 over x plus cot x minus what? Tan x. So this is the derivative. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please, I would like you to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so, and also click on the notification bell. And also I want you to follow my page. Please follow and subscribe. Follow and subscribe to this page. Thank you very much for watching the video.